What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hostage by Billie Eilish. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different chords that they use throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. This song essentially only has 2 parts to it. You got your verses and you have your chorus. Your verse chord progression is very simple, and your chorus chord progression is a little bit more difficult, but it's not much harder than the verses are. We're gonna jump right into the verse chord progression. It starts with A minor. It's gonna be 0 0 2 2 1 0. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then we go C major, just move that ring finger to the 3rd fret of the A string. It's gonna be 0 3 2 0 1 0. And then finally you need F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Bar the entire 1st fret on with your index finger, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Now the verses are very laid back. They kind of pick through these chords. You could technically single strum through these chords. I will show you a strumming pattern that you can use as well, but if you're single strumming, it's pretty weird. You're going to use counts of 7, and you're going to go A minor on 1 and 2, 3, 4, and then you hold the F for 3 more counts after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now if you're wanting to strum through the verse, your strumming pattern would be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. We'll jump into the chord progression for the choruses. The choruses are almost identical. I'm going to show you the chord progression for the first chorus, and then I'll show you exactly where it's different in the second chorus. It's just 2 more chords that are played in the middle of the chorus, and I'll show you those once we get there. So starting with your first chord, it's going to be E7, which is going to be 0 2 0 1 0 0. Middle finger 2nd fret on your A string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of your G string. Then you're going to F major, back to E7, back to F major, then you're going D minor, which is 0 0 0 2 3 1, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret B, index finger 1st fret on the E, back to F, back to D minor, back to F, and then you're ending on two times through the same thing you're playing through the verse. So and that's the end of the chorus. Now that being your first chorus, the only difference is that when you're playing those D minor and F, you play that twice in the first chorus. In the second chorus, you play that one more time before jumping into the end of the chorus, which is the same chord progression as the verse. And that still plays twice at the end. So again, first chorus is just two times through the D minor and F, and the third chorus, or the second chorus, is 3 times through those. Now the strumming pattern for your chorus is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Now I am going to play through the entire first chorus and the entire second chorus for you so you can see what it looks like. When I'm playing the second chorus, I will also be playing the outro to the song, which is just another 2 times through of the exact same chord progression that you play in the verses. So here we go, we'll jump into it right now. I'm going to show you how to play both of those. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billie Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.